Hey guys, have you ever felt overwhelmed by the complexities of managing projects that involve coding, documentation, and collaboration tools? Whether you're a developer, a project manager, or a data scientist, juggling multiple tools and processes often becomes a productivity bottleneck. Finding the right code snippets, analyzing documents, or even collaborating on GitHub can consume hours of your day, leaving little time for actual innovation. The goal is clear. We need a solution that can centralize and simplify these tasks, boosting productivity while maintaining precision and efficiency. Introducing BlackBox AI, a cutting-edge platform designed to transform your workflow. Its powerful features streamline various tasks, making it an essential tool for professionals and learners alike. Web search with citations, image docs, code analysis, chat with GitHub repositories. BlackBox AI integrates these features into an all-in-one platform, elevating productivity while simplifying complex workflows. Without further ado, let's dive into explore BlackBox.ai.
Welcome to techroot Solutions.
Go to Google and search for BlackBox AI, then click the very first link. The link is also provided in the description of this video. This is the dashboard of BlackBox AI. Now click on the top right corner. Here you can create a new chat, create an agent, or go to your workstation. You can also download the Mac desktop app from here. Features and history are also available. Now click on Models. Here you can see many AI models, such as BlackBox AI, GPT-4, Gemini Pro, Claude Sonnet 3.5, and BlackBox Pro. You can select one of these based on your needs. From Create, you can create something using BlackBox AI. Next, click on Features. More than 10 million users are using BlackBox AI, and Fortune 500 companies rely on BlackBox AI. You can chat with BlackBox AI in real time, and you can also perform web searches as needed. You can use the amazing revolutionary cyber coder feature from BlackBox AI that transforms the coding experience. You can also chat with PDF files and folders using this amazing AI tool. BlackBox AI can edit large code files or your massive code base easily using BlackBox AI's innovative technology. You can also generate AI images using BlackBox AI, transforming any image into a functional application. You can also chat with GitHub repositories. Using BlackBox AI, we can chat with large code repositories and upload files and folders. BlackBox AI takes version control to the next level with seamless integration with VS Code, allowing developers to manage projects. And there are so many more features of this amazing and powerful AI tool. You can also generate AI images, make apps using BlackBox AI, and create agents. Here you can search from the website, generate images, and upload files or folders. For demo purposes, I will click on Web and then type "What is Bitcoin?" It will take time to process and search from the web. Wait for a while. Here are the final results at the top of the BlackBox AI, which shows the resources from where this data can be obtained. This is amazing. At the bottom of the canvas, we can see a BlackBox AI generates good content. If we are satisfied with the answer, we can appreciate it. If not, we can disagree. We can also regenerate all content, share it with friends using a link, create a new chat, and select AI models. Now, I want to regenerate all content, so I click Regenerate. After waiting for the results, it is amazing. It's totally different from the previous one. On the left side, we can see the sources from where BlackBox AI can get the information. Now click on Generate Image using BlackBox AI. For demo purposes, I will type "man with computer" and press Enter. Wait for a while. Our query is being processed to generate the image. Here are the final results. Wow, it looks amazing. These images look very realistic. Now I will paste a prompt here and press Enter to generate the image. Wait for a while. It takes time to generate the images, and here are the final results from BlackBox AI's image generator. It's looking great and perfect. Now I want to create an agent. Click on Create Agent, then add a name. I will type techroot Solution, and in the profile picture section, I will type Elon Musk. Then click Generate Image. We can also instruct our models and publish them as public or private, depending on our choice. Then click Generate Agent. Wait patiently as BlackBox AI generates our agent. Here is the final result. Wow, this is exactly what I wanted. Our agent is ready and we can also invite our friends as well. Now I want to upload a file from my laptop. Click on Upload, then Upload Files. You can select a file from your computer system and click Open. Now we need to ask our queries, and BlackBox AI will respond. For demo purposes, I will type important key points and click Enter. Wait for a while. It will take time to generate a response to our queries. Here are the key points. Now click on App Builder to create an app using BlackBox AI. For demo purposes, I will type, I want to create a fitness app for my customers, and press Enter. Here is our app in process. Wait for a while. It will take time to process. Here are the final results. Wow, amazing. BlackBox AI makes life easy. Everyone can create an app or website with BlackBox AI. BlackBox AI will create a professional website. Now I will click on Code. Here is our HTML code. We can modify the code, download it to our system, and check its responsiveness on both mobile and desktop. This website is responsive on mobile. Wow! Now click on HTML and Tailwind. Here are different languages we can customize according to our needs. Now I'll select HTML and CSS. For the demo, I will type Create an app for library management system and press Enter. Wait for a while. It will take time to generate the website. Wow! BlackBox AI makes life easy for developers. We can download our HTML and CSS code. Try out BlackBox AI for yourself and let me know in the comments how you've used these fantastic tools. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more updates on AI tools and trends.